This is a 2013 Honda Civic. The maintenance light is on. What you're going to do to reset that, it's the oil light, is you're going to go over here to hit menu. And that's going to pop up there, the odometer and trip meter, vehicle information, and adjust clock. And what you're going to do is you're going to go up one time to vehicle information. You're going to hit the source button, and this is be the enter button. It's going to go to maintenance information. You're going to hit enter. You're going to see they're negative 150 on their miles. What you're going to do is to reset the light, you're going to hit the enter button. It's going to say, would you like to reset the maintenance information? Go over here. Go down to yes. Hit the enter button. And it says your maintenance has been done. You are now at 100%. It's simple and easy to do.